Question 6 wants us to do a logistic regression. So really the only thing that's different is that we need to select logistic. So I'm going to type in the data. And then do stat calc, and logistic is letter B on my calculator. And the logistic regression can take kind of a long time to figure out. Like mine is still trying to figure it out. And it just got it. So if your calculator looks like it's frozen, give it a couple more seconds. It can take a long time to do it. At least as far as calculators and computers are concerned, it's a long time. That's really because there's a lot of stuff going on here. And then it doesn't even give you an R value to tell you how good it is. So with this, my regression is going to be 708.419 over 1 plus 80.123 e to the negative 0.532 t. And when you put this into your calculator, make sure that you put parentheses around the denominator. So it would have to be like this. Then if you have the older version of the calculator, you may have to put parentheses around your exponent here as well. But if you have the newer version, then you don't have to. So if you graph this, then your graph is going to look something like this. And then C says, according to the model, when would the population reach 450? So if you do y2 is equal to 450 and do a calc intersect, then you should get 9.28 days. So again, it kind of takes the calculator a little bit longer to calculate the logistic regression, but from there it's pretty much the same. Again, just remember to put parentheses around the denominator, as well as, I guess kind of another mistake is when questions ask for the logarithmic regression, a lot of times people will do the logistic because they sound the same. Logarithmic regression is the ln regression. Logistic regression is the logistic regression. So just make sure not to get those two confused.